Hey everyone, Kenji López-Alt, Serious Seats in the Food Lab. I'm cooking at my house today, and I wanted to quickly show you one of my favorite ways to cook scrambled eggs. I call them half-scrambled eggs. Some people might call them country eggs. You start by putting butter in a preheated skillet. I'm using cast iron here, and you want it to be really nicely, evenly preheated, so about 10 minutes on the stovetop there, over low heat. Now we want the heat to maintain very low. We don't want the butter to brown at all. And now I'm going to just add 3 eggs to it. Of course, you can do as many eggs as you'd like. Now the idea here is that we're very, very slowly cooking the bottoms of those eggs so that we end up with sort of nice ribbons of egg white. Meanwhile, after a couple minutes, the tops are still completely loose, and that's what we want. So now I'm going to take a wooden spatula, and I'm just going to poke those yolks to break them a little bit. And then here's where we start to scramble. So what happens is the leftover sort of creamy yolks and the loose whites form this nice sauce that coats those large curds of white. It's sort of like almost like pasta with sauce, like pappardelle with a nice sauce clinging to it. I really enjoy the way you get textural contrast in here. I like how you get these sort of like little nuggets of pure egg yolk as you're eating it. I just find it sort of a much more interesting way to eat scrambled eggs than traditional scrambled eggs where you whisk everything together at the beginning. Of course, it's also great because it's less cleanup. You don't need a separate bowl to whisk the eggs in. All you need is the one skillet, and that's it. And of course, just like any scrambled eggs, you want to make sure that they come out of the skillet before they're completely cooked because they're going to carry over. And there you go. This is half-scrambled eggs.